Hello, this is God Favor from Sendpiper, and in this video, I'll be walking you through a very simplified way to connect your social channels on Sendpiper. So after registering, setting up your account, completing your profile, the next step is to connect your channel. So you can click on Add Channels right here in your dashboard, or you click on Channels here in the picture section. So I'll just click on Add Channels, and I can connect as many channels as I want. You can see Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, TikTok. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be connecting our Instagram account. So you click connect channel and you click sign with Instagram. So it will take you to your Instagram page. So you should already be signed into Instagram in this particular browser profile. So you click allow. So you can see successfully connected. So now I've been able to connect my Instagram account to Sendpiper. But you can see it says awaiting subscription. So I need to subscribe. So I'll click subscribe. Now when you click on subscribe, you will see these numbers. You see this when you click subscribe, you see this code. To connect the bot within an hour, send the code to your page in Messenger. If the button does not open Messenger, copy this link. So you can either copy this code or you copy this link and paste in your browser. So I can just click straight up. I'll just click start in Messenger. Since you are signed in with this same browser profile, then it will take you straight to your Instagram account. So you can see it has taken me straight to my inbox. So I will just simply paste the link I copied, and voila. Say congratulations, your page has been successfully connected to Sendpiper. You can now receive and respond to messages, set up automated flows, create custom trigger. Your page is ready to use. So let's go confirm that on Sendpiper. So I think we'll reload the page, and you can see it has been activated. It's the same process you will take to connect other social media accounts on Sendpiper. Thank you.